In this short tutorial, you will learn how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. Backing up your iPhone is important because it keeps your data safe. If you lose your device or get a new one, you can easily restore everything from the backup. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone. Once inside Settings, look for your name at the top of the screen. Tap on it. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Now, find and tap on iCloud. Here, you'll see a section called Save to iCloud. Tap on See All to explore what can be backed up. In this menu, ensure that iCloud Photos is enabled. This feature allows you to store all your photos and videos securely in the cloud. You can also toggle on any other options you wish to back up, like contacts, calendars, notes, and more. Take a moment here to select everything that matters most to you because these are the items that will be included in your backup. After selecting what you'd like backed up, go back and tap on iCloud Backup. If backup this iPhone is turned off, make sure to switch it on. You only need to do this once. Your phone will remember this setting for future backups. If you're often away from Wi-Fi or want backups while using cellular data, feel free to toggle on the option for backing up over cellular as well. Once configured correctly, your iPhone will automatically back up daily as long as it's connected to power and locked while connected either via Wi-Fi or cellular, if enabled. This means less hassle for users who might forget. But what if you want an immediate backup? No problem, simply tap where it says Backup Now. Depending on how much data there is, you'll have an updated backup stored in iCloud. And that's how easy it is. By following these simple steps, anyone can back up their iPhone effortlessly using iCloud. Remember that keeping regular backups protects against data loss due to unforeseen circumstances. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.